Hey guys, once again welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about the latest trending topic on YouTube. We will have a brief discussion on it. I have a special surprise for you at the end of the video, so watch till end.
Don't you think why ASMR videos are trending so much on YouTube? You can also make ASMR video and earn money through it. Look at this mic, which is specially built for ASMR voice recognition. Top ASMR YouTubers use this mic as their primary mic. Go grab it. Buy it from the link below in the description and start making ASMR videos now.
ASMR has become increasingly popular on YouTube lately. There are a few reasons why this is the case. 1. Relaxation and stress relief. ASMR videos are often designed to help people relax and feel calm. Many people find the soft whispers, gentle tapping sounds, and other triggers used in ASMR videos to be soothing and stress-reducing. 2. Sleep aid. ASMR videos are also often used as a sleep aid. Many people find that listening to ASMR videos helps them fall asleep faster and get a better night's rest.
ASMR is a term used to portray a sensation described by a shivering inclination on the skin, frequently beginning the scalp and dropping down the neck and spine. This sensation is set off by specific sounds or visual boosts, like murmuring, tapping, or delicate touch. While ASMR isn't yet completely comprehended by science, certain individuals report that the sensation can be unwinding, pleasurable, and even assistance with stress and nervousness. In any case, it's essential to take note of that not every person encounters ASMR, and certain individuals might find the sensation awkward or even unsavory.
That is it for today, guys. Do not forget to check out the ASMR mic link in the description. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.